Hi my dear students, how are you all? I hope you are all safe at home. I am Sandhya from Bharathidhasanar Matriculation Higher Secondary School. Today we are going to see 5th standard second lesson, part 2. So what is the second lesson name? Yeah, our second lesson name is Operations on Large Numbers. Operations on Large Numbers. Already you know we have 4 operations in maths, that is addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Today we are going to see subtraction. Today we are going to see subtraction. So what is subtraction? Listen, the operations of a removing object. The operations of a removing object from a collection is subtraction. From a collection is subtraction. Here we have 2 groups of apples. Here we have 2 groups of apples. So first we have 6 apples. First totally how many apples are there? 6 apples. How many apples? 6 apples. And then the second group we have 3 apples. Second group we have 3 apples. Now we are going to subtract this. You are getting the answer. So put the 6 line 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then you strike out at 3 lines. 1, 2, 3. So remaining how many lines are there? We have 3 lines. So the answer is 3 apples. The answer is 3 apples. Otherwise you simply strike out. Here we have 6 apples. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now we are going to subtract how many apples? Yeah, very good my children. 3 apples. So strike out 3 apples. You are getting the answer is 3. The final answer is 3. So 6 minus 3 equal to 3. So what is subtraction? The operations of a removing object. The operation of a removing object from a collection. Okay, we collected some things. The removing object is called the subtraction. Okay, my students. So next I will explain subtraction in some way, the larger number way. Listen, to find the difference of 2 numbers, we always subtract smaller number from the greater number. Smaller number from the greater number. So while subtracting time, first you should subtract smaller number from greater number. So listen my children, here they are given one question. Find the difference between. Here we are given the one question. Find the difference between 1,51,346 and 4,83,659. Already you know, first you will write the greatest number in upper value, then smallest number in down value, right? So listen here. So compare these 2 numbers. We have 4,83,659 is a greater number. So first you will write 4,83,659. 4,83,659. 4,83,659. Then you will write 1,51,346. So before writing the numbers, you should write the place values, right? So what is the place values? The place value helps us to understand the meaning of number and when to use which number based on the question. So listen children, in ones always the place value comes ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000 and lakh. So it will be go on. Listen here. The first question is 4,83,659, 1,51,346. So first you will write the place values, right? Listen, ones, tens. Tell me Krish, what is the next place value? Very good my dear, that is hundreds. And next one is 1,000, 10,000 and final one is lakh. 1,000, 10,000 and final one is lakh. Tell me Ashwini, what is the ones place value here? Yeah, the ones place value is 6 and the 10th place value is 4, 100 place value is 3, 1,000 place value is 1, 10,000 place value is lakh, 10,000 place value is 5 and finally the lakh place value is 1. So already they have arranged. Listen, 9 and then the 10th place value is 5, 100 place value is 6, 1,000 place value is 3, 10,000 place value is 8 and lakh place value is 4. Now Savita, tell me, in that second group of number, what is the ones place value? Yeah, the ones place value is 6, the 10th place value is 4, the 100 place value is 3, the 1000 place value is 1, and the 10,000 place value is 5, and finally the lakh place value is 1. While subtracting the number, first you should start right side ones place value number. Okay. So listen my children, in subtraction we have names also is there. In numbers we have names. The greater number is called minuend. The greater number is called minuend. M-I-N-U-E-N-D. Minuend. The smaller number is called subtrahend. The smaller number is called subtrahend. S-U-B-T-R-A-H-E-N-D. The smaller number is called subtrahend, and final answer is called difference. D-I-F-F-E-R-E-N-C-E. The final number is called difference. The first greater number is called minuend. The second smaller number is called subtrahend, and final answer is called difference. Now you take the ones place value. Take a 9 minus 6. So simply leave the 9 hands. Okay. So 9 and then fold 6 fingers. 9 and then fold 6 fingers. So 5 fingers and then 6 fingers. So remaining how many fingers are there? Yeah, we have 3 fingers. So write the answer 3. Next we will take 5 minus 4. 5 minus 4. So here we will use another method. Put the 5 lines. Put how many lines? 5 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and subtract 4 lines. So strike out 4 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4. So remaining how many lines are there? We have only one line is there. So write 1. Next we will take the 100 place value. Here to put the lines and then strike out the 3 lines. So take 6 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and strike out 3 lines. 1, 2, 3. And Kiran, tell me how many lines are there? Yeah, very good dear. There we have 3 lines. So write 3. Next we will take 1,000. So 1,000 place value we have 3,000 minus 1,000. So simply leave 3 fingers and fold 1 finger. So 3 minus 1. What is the answer? The answer is 2. What is the answer? The answer is 2. Next you will take the 10,000 place value. Here the 10,000 place value is 8 10,000 minus 5 10,000. So put the 8 lines. Put the 8 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Put the 8 lines. Now you are going to subtract 5 lines. Now you are going to subtract 5 lines, or else strike out 5 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So remaining how many lines are there? We have 1, 2, 3. So 3 lines is there. Write 3. Then take the lakh place value. So in this lakh place value we have 4 lakh minus 1 lakh. So show your 4 finger and fold 1 finger. Remaining how many fingers are there? 3 fingers. So simply put 3 is there. Okay. So my dear students, now we are going to take and write the answer. 3,32,313. 3,32,313. 3,32,313. So this is subtraction. This is what? Subtraction. Our next topic is subtraction without regrouping. In the subtraction we have 2 subtopics is there. The first one is subtraction without regrouping, and second one is subtraction with regrouping. First we are going to see subtraction without regrouping. So what is subtraction without regrouping? When we are doing the subtraction problem, if the sum does not have the borrow. When we are doing the subtraction problem, if the sum does not have the borrow, that is called a subtraction without regrouping. Here we are having the sum 7,91,564 minus 4,80,351. While you subtracting the number, first you will write the place value. While we subtracting the number, first we will write the place value. What is the first place value? The unit place is first place. Write ones. And the second place value is tens. Third place value is 100. Fourth place value is 1,000. And the fifth place value is 10,000. And the sixth place value is lakh. Okay. Here we are having the question 7,91,564 minus 4,80,351. Take the first group of the number. What is the first group of the number? 7,91,564. Take and write the ones place value. Tell me the ones place value. Here the ones place value is 4. The 10th place value is 6. The 100 place value is 5. 1000 place value is 1. 10,000 place value is 9. And the lakh place value is 7. Take the second group of number. Our second group of number is 4,80,351. Tell me Krish, what is the ones place value? Yeah, very good. Here the ones place value is 1. And the 10th place value is 5. 100 place value is 3. And the 1000 place value is 0. 10,000 place value is 8. Finally, the lakh place value is 4. Now we are going to subtract this. While you are subtracting the number, first you will take the ones place value. Ones place, tens place, 100, 1000, 10,000 and finally lakh place. So what is the ones place value? 4 ones minus 3 minus 1 ones. So take 4 lines 1, 2, 3, 4 and subtract 1 line. 4 minus 1, the answer is 3. What is the answer? 3 ones. Take the tens place value, 6 tens minus 5 tens. So put 6 lines, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and subtract how many lines? 5 lines. Subtract 5 lines, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Remaining we have the answer 1. So the tens place value is 1. Take the 100 place value. Here 100 place value we have 500 minus 300. So take 5 lines minus 3 lines. Put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and subtract 3 lines. 1, 2, 3. So remaining we have 2 lines. So the answer is 2 hundreds. Next one is 1000 minus 0,000. You are getting the same answer. So here the answer is 1. Next you will take 10,000 place. 9 10,000 minus 8 10,000. So take 9 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now we are going to subtract 8 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the answer is 1. Right? 1 10,000. Finally 7 lakh minus 4 lakh. Take 7 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and subtract 4 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4. So remaining how many lines are there? We have 3 lines. So the answer is 3. The final answer is 3,11,213. 3,11,213. Our next topic is subtraction with regrouping. Before topic is subtraction without regrouping. Here subtraction with regrouping. So what is subtraction with regrouping means? When we are doing the subtraction problem, if the sum has borrow, which is called as subtraction with regrouping. Listen here, they given one example. 2,54,398 minus 1,46,851. First you are going to write the place values. Ones, tens, hundreds, 1000, 10,000 and a lakh. Take the ones place value. So 8 minus 1. What is the answer? Put the 8 lines and subtract 1 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and subtract 1 line. So the answer is 7. Count the lines 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the answer is 7. Take the tens place value. Here we are having the question 9 tens minus 5 tens. So take 9 lines 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Subtract 5 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So remaining how many lines are there? We have 4 lines. So the answer is 4. Then you will take a 3 minus 8. Is this possible 3 minus 8? No, it is not possible. Why? Because 3 is the smallest number, 8 is the greatest number. So you are getting borrow from 1000 place. So 4000 it will be changed into 3000. And 300s it will be changed into 1300s. Okay, take a 1300 minus 800. So put 13 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Subtract how many lines? 8 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Remaining how many lines are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the answer is 5. Then you will take the 1000 place value. Here the 1000 place value 3000 minus 6000. So this is not possible. Why? Because 3 is the smallest number, 6 is the greatest number. Now we are going to see the 10,000 place. In this 10,000 place, 4 10,000 minus 4 10,000. So what is the answer? 4 minus 4, we are getting the answer is 0. Then finally take the lakh place value. 2 lakh minus 1 lakh. So put 2 lines and subtract 1 line. So remaining the answer is 1. The final answer is 1 lakh 7,547. 1,07,547. Next, one more example is there. 9,05,064 minus 3 lakh. Next, one more example is there. 9,05,064 minus 3,10,203. Now you are going to subtract this. While you subtracting the number, first you will write the place value. What is the first place value? Ones. And the second place value is tens. Third place value is 100. Fourth place value is 1000. And the fifth place value is 10,000. And finally lakh. Okay, take the first group of the number 9,05,064. What is the ones place value here? 4. And the 10th place value is 6. 100 place value is 0. 1000 place value is 5. The 10,000 place value is 0. Finally the lakh place value is 9. Take the second group of number 3,10,203. Here the ones place value is 3. The 10th place value is 0. 100 place value is 2. And the 1000 place value is 0. 10,000 place value is 1. Finally the lakh place value is 3. Now we are going to subtract this. While you subtracting the number, first you will start ones place onwards. First you will start ones place onwards. Listen, 4 minus 3. So put the 4 lines 1, 2, 3, 4 and subtract how many lines? 3 lines. 1, 2, 3. So what is the answer? The answer is 1. Take a 6 minus 0. So 6 minus 0 means you are getting the same number. The answer is 6. Our next number is 0 minus 2. So 0 minus 2 is possible. This is not possible. Why? Because 0 is the smallest number, 2 is the greatest number. So you will get borrow from the 1000 place. Okay, here the 1000 place value is 5,000 minus 0,000. So 5,000 it will be changed 4,000 and 0,100 it will be changed 10,100. Now we are going to subtract this. 10 minus 2. So put 10 lines 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and subtract how many lines? 2 lines. 1, 2. Remaining how many lines are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the answer is 8. Take the 1000 place value. So here the 1000 place value 4,000 minus 0,000. So you are getting the answer is 4. Take the 10,000 place value. Here the 10,000 place value is 0 10,000 minus 1 10,000. So is this possible? It is not possible. Why? Because 0 is the smallest number, 1 is the greatest number. So you are going to get borrow from lakh place. So 9 it will be changed 8 lakh. 0 it will be changed 10,000. So now you subtract this 10 minus 1. Put 10 lines 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and subtract 1 lines. Now we are going to count this. Remaining how many lines are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the answer is 9. Next you take the lakh place value. Here the lakh place value 8 lakh minus 3 lakh. So put 8 lines and subtract 3 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and subtract how many lines? 3 lines. 1, 2, 3. Tell me Roshan, how many lines are there remaining? Yeah, listen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the answer is 5. What is the answer? 5. The final answer is 5,94,861. Our final topic is fill in the correct digit. Here they are given some boxes. Now you are going to find the answer. Okay. So what is the ones place value? The ones place value is 9 minus 2. And the tens place value and hundreds, 1,000, 10,000 and final place is lakh. Okay, now we are going to subtract this 9 minus 2. Already they given the answer 7. 8 minus 0, the answer is 8. 9 minus 9, same number. So, you are getting the answer is 0. Now, we are going to find 7. So, what number we should subtract from 7? We are getting the answer 2. So, take 7 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now, we are going to subtract 2 lines. 1, 2. So, remaining how many lines are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, the answer is 5. What is the answer? 5. 7 minus 5 equal to 2. Next, take 10,000 place value. 10,000 place value, here we are having 8 10,000 minus some number. So, what number we should subtract from 8? We are getting the answer is 3. So, take 8 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and subtract how many lines? 3 lines. 1, 2, 3. So, remaining how many lines are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, the answer is 5. Now, we are going to find the log place value. First, they given one box and they given the second 2. Smallest number. You are going to find the greatest number. Okay. The answer is 2 they are given. Just first you take the 3 lines. Okay. Take 3 line. 1, 2, 3 and subtract 2 line. Here we got the answer is 1. It is not possible. Then you will take the 4 lines. Okay. Take 4 lines and subtract 2 lines. So here we got the answer is 2. So the correct answer is 4. Take 4 minus 2 equal to 2. Listen. In the subtraction, in first group we have 5 birds. How many birds are there? 5 birds. In second group we have 2 birds. So now we are going to subtract this 5 minus 2. Take 5 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and subtract how many lines? 2 lines. So remaining how many birds will come? 3 birds. So the answer is 3.